only see the water, but inside it is so much is happening.
Yeah.
All those fish are swimming and eating and drinking and pooping and fighting each other and eating each other.
Some are told not to go above
and hiding
because of the wind.
Hiding from the enemy.
There are people there. Stand there. See there?
Two surfers. Don't see her.
Oh, you needed your other lens.
Yeah, for that, yes. But she's coming back now.
Ideally, people walk with two cameras.
Yeah. Do you see what she did? She shook like... Right, yep, we go.
You have to go now?
Yeah.
Take everything. Nice.
Vas a llevar los alcoholes.
I saw another woman holding her ears. Maybe she's...
It's the same problem as you.
Yeah.
Better now, but a while back there.
Here it's blocked. But the space, the wind is blocked.
Ah, yeah, it's
Yeah,
nice
yeah.
here. It sits here.
Let's go to McDonald's.
Imagine we eat again.
Just
This is a perfect place here. You're still protected from the wind.
yeah, because it's coming kind of like
Not anymore. Not really.
so that's because
A parallel street, we should be fine.
excuse me.
Go to a parallel street, we should be protected.
comes from the ML. and we don't have tall buildings here to cover. That's why tornadoes do so much damage in America. Because where they don't have tall buildings, it takes everything. You really need tall buildings to block it. Unless it was coming from the sea. But this one is coming from the Hemel. Hemels being Hemels in Dutch.
Okay, your body on?
All right.
Shall we see time again?
Yeah, there or there.
Yeah, so this one or this one?
Looking which direction? I remember what I did last time. What I did last time was to connect my GoPro to my bag and took the other one out. So while we